I really like how you talked about too, because I sat in on some of the training this morning about. Well, first of all, you said that, ask the questions if you want to. There is no stupid question, and you talked about not letting ego get in the way and mentoring those younger law enforcement officers, and not just saying, oh, you should know all this, and really not just dismissing their questions or assuming that they know everything, and really mentoring them rather than making them feel stupid.
It comes down to the culture of an agency, and the culture starts at the top. So the top is recognizing this. They have a duty to address it and change it. You don't got to be insane about it. You got to change culture. Something's not right here. These guys aren't taking care of the new guys. Why is that happening? And reverse engineer how to fix this situation. And just a reminder of, hey, you were new once. You think you know everything now. That's not true. And we have an obligation. People aren't leaving. They are your backup. They are your they're your partner. This is a family, and we need to treat it as such. You wouldn't do this to your brother or sister, and this is your brother or sister. So that's us. I mean, we have very talented people, and I can promise you that the instructors associated with this company, the 15 we have at this moment, there is fiduciary interest at times, but overall, the rewarding feeling they're getting from helping, you can't put a price on it. You just can't. We don't do things for money. We do things for money, but we don't do this at the core of it for a capital gain. So when we have people like that in an organization, it speaks volumes of who we are. And I am in no position to demean or speak about anybody else's organization. I'm just speaking on behalf of what we do and who we are. This is not an opportunity, and I'll never take an opportunity to sling mud towards anybody's direction. We just have to all understand what our obligations are as a culture. And if you want to see change, you want to stop screaming at the TV screen, you want to start saying things are fair, well, the question you have to ask yourself is, are you part of the problem or are you part of the solution? You can sit here and stick your fingers in your ears and go la, 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 la all day long, or you can do something. Your choice.